Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm here at the DataPath booth at InfoComm 2026. I'm going to go over a short overview of our WallControl 10 software platform and the new updates that we have with it. We're controlling this small video wall up here. We can very easily switch between different views. So from a day-to-day perspective, this is what an operator is going to be doing. They're going to be switched between different scenes and different pieces of content. If I wanted to swap out one source in particular, all I would need to do is drag that source from my content list here, and then that'll swap out. We'll get a once per second update of what's live on that video wall on this display here. And yeah, an operator can do exactly what they need to do on their day-to-day. One of the new features that we just released this week, a couple days before InfoComm here, is our web interface for WallControl 10. Now this is a much more simplified interface where operators just need to hit a button to change the layout that they're looking at. If you have any more questions, definitely please reach out. Go to datapath.co.uk and we'll be happy to help. Have a great InfoComm.